The ventis car air dehumidifier is not only highly effective, but also remarkably simple to maintain. Designed for convenience, it efficiently absorbs excess moisture from the air inside your vehicle, creating a more comfortable and healthier environment. By reducing humidity, it helps prevent issues like mildew, unpleasant odors, and mold growth, as well as keeping your windows clear from condensation, which can improve driving visibility. When the dehumidifier reaches its moisture capacity, a color-changing indicator provides a clear signal that it's time for a recharge. To restore its full functionality, simply place the bag in a microwave oven and heat it for 6 minutes at 600 watts, allowing the absorbed moisture to evaporate. This easy process ensures the dehumidifier is ready for repeated use.